You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off the Offload Unused tabs feature on your iPhone. This setting automatically removes apps you don't use often to save storage space but keeps their data. First, open your Settings app, tap on your Apple ID profile at the top, then select iCloud. Next, tap on Manage Account. Storage or just Manage Storage. On the next screen, tap iCloud Backup. Now, find and tap on the name of your iPhone listed under Backups. Here you will see a list of apps and their data sizes. Look for the toggle switch next to Offload Unused tabs. This switch is likely green and turned on. Tap the switch to turn it off. The switch will move to the left and turn white or gray. This disables the automatic offloading feature. Your iPhone will no longer remove apps automatically. Any apps that were previously offloaded will need to be manually reinstalled from the App Store, but their data is still saved. To reinstall an offloaded app, simply tap its icon on your home screen. It will download again. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.